Presenting the hydraulic exoskeleton. There are 1 billion people worldwide that are disabled in some way. These 1 billion people have difficulty moving or exercising like an average human being could. Everyone, disabled or not, should have the same opportunities to exercise to stay fit and healthy. 69% of people with disabilities do not get enough exercise. That is 690 million people that barely get enough exercise. With the hydraulic exoskeleton, we will change this. Our mission is changing lives. Hydraulic exoskeleton will allow disabled people not just to walk, but to run and exercise far beyond that of a normal human being. Disabled people will no longer be at a disadvantage, but an advantage in exercising and sports. Kids who are disabled will have the same chances to be kids and play and run as if they never had disabilities in the first place. This exoskeleton would do far more than just be able to walk and climb stairs. It would change lives. This is the first exoskeleton that will allow people to run, jump, and give super strength. This is by far better than our competitors because we are creating a milestone in exercising. There's no other exoskeleton in the world that can do what ours does. Our funding would eventually come from the product. In the beginning, we would get our money from venture capitalists or get a grant from the Assistive Technologies Association like RESNA. The military would be interested in our product because you can get in the field as you recover. Also, companies that sponsor the Paralympics would be interested in our product. There have been robots that allow you to see through the eyes of an android, give you a drink of water and open doors and let you walk. But none so far are doing what we are doing. Our hydraulic exoskeleton allows people to walk, run, play, and do just about anything imaginable. This is the first generation of many more to come of super robots. We plan to contact elderly and disabled in general and allow them to test our product. We will also contact industry leaders and powerful companies to give us the means necessary to fast produce our life-changing product. We have achieved modeling our robot and having our ideas planned out. We plan to grow by getting money from venture capitalists or getting a grant from the government or an Assistive Technologies Association like RESNA. We plan to make factories, pay workers, and build our product with that money. To keep growing, we should team up with Toyota or NOD plus REI to further develop our product. These companies are good because they have proven in the past that they are useful in developing technologies for the disabled and giving the disabled a better life. Judges would need to give recommendations about us to companies like Toyota or NOD plus REI to help spread word of our product to get the attention of these companies and allow us to pitch our product to them. This is why our product will change lives of everyone, not just disabled. Our product would be a technological advancement and one that will stick around for a long time. Hope you consider our product. It will be worth your time. Thank you.